You can start your English learning by just watching our videos on this channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment. Also share this video to your friends and loved ones. Good luck.
Let's learn English sentences with Urdu translation. So let's get started. ऐसा नहीं होगा. That will not happen. क्या ये आपकी हालिया तस्वीर है? Is it your recent picture? मुझे नहीं मालूम कि क्या कहना है. I don't know what to say. ये कभी खत्म होने वाला नहीं है. This is never going to end. मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊंगा. I will be back soon. एक बार ही काफी था. Once was enough. बस अपने काम पर तवज्जो दें. Just focus on your work. दोबारा कहो. Say it again. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I didn't mean it. मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ. I might do that. वो जरूरतमंद है. He is needy. इसे लिख लो. Write this down. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not at all. तुम जैसे पसंद करो. As you like it. अंदर वापस आ जाओ. Come back in. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? कौन नहीं जाता? Who doesn't go? ये वाकई मैं हूं. This is really me. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. टेबल लगा दो. Set the table. ऐसा कभी ना करें. Never do so. क्या मैं जा सकता हूं? May I go? मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. थोड़ी देर के लिए. For a while. ये मेरी राय है. It's my opinion. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. मैं कोशिश कर रहा था. I was trying.